Hello, friends. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be here with you.
How are you today, Charlotte?
I am very good. Oh, wait. I am great.
You almost said very good. That is our topic for today.
Yes, today we have a very important mission. The mission is stop saying very.
The word very is okay, but it is a little boring.
Exactly. If you say very good, very bad, very happy all the time, your English sounds repetitive.
We want you to sound like a pro. We want your English to be colorful and strong.
So today we will teach you 5 amazing words to replace very.
These words are easy. They are for beginners, but they make you sound advanced.
Are you ready to upgrade your vocabulary?
I am ready. Let's start.
Charlotte, imagine you eat a delicious pizza. Do you say, "This pizza is very good"?
It is correct, but it is not exciting. Instead of very good, I say great.
That is our first word. Great.
Listen to the sound. G-R-E-A-T. Great.
Great means very good. It is simple, but it is strong.
Let's look at examples. Number 1. This movie is great.
Number 2, you did a great job on your homework.
Number 3. The weather today is great.
Now, listeners, it is your turn. Please repeat after me. Great.
Say it again with energy. Great.
Excellent. So, Leo, what if something is the opposite? What if something is very bad?
If something is very bad, we say awful.
Ooh, I like that word. Awful.
Listen carefully. Awful. Awful.
Awful means very bad. It means terrible.
For example, imagine you drink cold coffee. You can say, this coffee is awful.
Or imagine it is raining on your holiday. The weather is awful.
Example number 3. I have an awful headache.
Now you try. Repeat after me. Awful.
One more time. Awful.
Good job. Now you can describe bad things with a strong word.
Let's move to size. Charlotte, what if something is very small, like an ant or a baby's shoe?
If it is very small, we say tiny.
Tiny. This is a cute word. T-I-N-Y. Tiny.
Tiny means extremely small.
Here are examples. Number 1. Look at that tiny insect.
Number 2, the baby has tiny hands.
Number 3. I live in a tiny apartment.
It is your turn. Please repeat. Tiny.
Again, tiny.
Perfect. Now let's talk about temperature. Leo, in winter, is it very cold?
Yes, but don't say very cold. Say freezing.
Freezing. This word makes me shiver. Freezing.
Freezing comes from the word freeze, like ice. It means very, very cold.
Example number 1. Put on your coat. It is freezing outside.
Example number 2. The water in the ocean is freezing.
Example number 3. My hands are freezing.
Listeners, please repeat. Freezing.
Make the Z sound. Freezing.
Very good. Oh, sorry. I mean, great.
We have one last word for today. This is about how you feel after a long day.
When you work hard or play soccer for 2 hours, you are very tired.
Yes, but a better word is exhausted.
This is a longer word. Let's break it down. Eggs, hoss, ted. Exhausted.
The H is silent. Listen again. Exhausted.
It means you have no energy. You are very, very tired.
Example number 1. I ran 5 kilometers and now I am exhausted.
Example number 2. After the exam, the students were exhausted.
Example number 3. It is late and I am exhausted. Good night.
Now you try. It's a big word, but you can do it. Repeat. Exhausted.
One more time. Exhausted.
You are doing amazing. Let's review our 5 new words.
First, instead of very good, say great.
Second, instead of very bad, say awful.
Third, instead of very small, say tiny.
Fourth, instead of very cold, say freezing.
And fifth, instead of very tired, say exhausted.
Do not worry if you forget them sometimes. It takes practice.
Yes, try to use just one of these words today. Just one.
That is a good goal. Small steps lead to big results.
That brings us to our motivational phrase for today.
What is the phrase, Charlotte?
The phrase is, your words paint your world.
Your words paint your world. That is deep.
It means that the vocabulary you use changes how people see you and how you see the world.
If you use colorful, strong words, your world seems more interesting.
Exactly. So paint a beautiful picture with your English.
Thank you for listening today. You are all great.
Not very good. Great.
See you in the next episode of Unlock English and Speak.
Goodbye.